Hello, my name is Elizabeth Ashley, the Secret Healer. I'm the author of the book Rose Goddess Medicine, and welcome to my garden, the Secret Healer's Garden, but also to my channel, list of essential oils and their uses. And today we're going to be talking about rose essential oil benefits and uses. Hello, I'm Elizabeth Ashley, the Secret Healer. Welcome to my channel, list of essential oils and their uses. This video is rose essential oil benefits. And just here really, all I'm doing is telling you where the information is at, because I am the author of this book, Rose Goddess Medicine, and also this book, 50 easy essential oil recipes for skincare products for dry skin, as well as actually 18 others. But so the information that I've got about rose essential oil is large, and so I want to make it as accessible to you as I possibly can. So I've broken it down into a series of videos. If you are a beginner, you just bought your bottle of rose essential oil, spent the mortgage, you need to scroll down to the description below and look for the link for what is rose essential oil used for. Okay, what is rose essential oil used for? That's if you're a beginner, right? Or if you just want to watch everything there is about rose, which is what I would do because I love them so much. If you are a more advanced therapist and you think, right, I do know what it does, or I know what it can do, but how does it do it, right? So this is a more technical video about the essential oil properties of rose essential oil, but this is what does rose essential oil do. So we're going to look at a bit of chemistry, some of the clinical trials where the proof is about the essential oil. If you are interested in skin, and why would you not be, there is a video especially about that, and that is rose essential oil benefits for skin. As we go along, I will collect up other rose videos I've done. For example, I'm sure there's one about rose essential oil versus rose absolute, etc, etc. Look in the description, and I will get my editor to have a look and put them all together for you to find. So I'm going to leave it there, because let's go on to the next video. And thank you for watching me so far on rose essential oil videos.
You get your phone, you turn it this way up, and then there's a little red subscribe button. Turn it grey by clicking it, and then there's a little bell. Click that and press all at the bottom of your phone or tablet or computer. It will say you will receive all notifications, and then there's a little hand with a thumbs up. Click that, it'll turn it blue and it says added to your liked videos, and there will be comments, and if you want to you can send a comment and say like hi's to mum and dad, like, and then the link to the next video will be in the description below underneath the video. So bye.